Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. My name is Basuki Wahyutama. I'm a student in the Master of Communication Study Program at 11 Maret University, Surakarta, Central Java, Indonesia. I will present research on the role of public relation at the Sukoharjo Resort Police Institute. Okay, let's start from the background of the study. The role of public relation is increasingly diverse with the development of communication technology media and the challenge faced today. Public relation must be able to create public opinion as a profitable input for an institution in instilling understanding, fostering motivation, and public participation. Looking at the regulation of the Indonesian National Police, number 2 of 2021, public relation at the Indonesian National Police Agency, Polri, is tasked with carrying out public relation activities, producing, managing information, and presenting documentation of police activities that can be accessed by the public. However, the dynamic that arises often do not match expectation, causing the public relation of the police to be more proactive in responding to issues that are circulating in the wider audience, both the public in general and netizen in particular. Therefore, this research on the role of police public relation is important because public relation has a crucial role in connecting communication between the police and the community in building a positive image of the police. Through the role of public relation, the national police can improve performance and be more trusted in protecting, nurturing, and serving the community. Okay, next, literature review. This study aims to identify and examine the role of public relation in police institutions, especially at the Sukoharjo Resource Police based on Ruslan 2013 patent in a book entitled Kiat dan Strategi Kampanye Public Relation, which describe in detail the four main role of public relation. Among other things, number 1, public relation act as a communicator between the organization or institution represented to the public. Number 2, foster good and mutual beneficial relation with the public. Number 3, as a supporting role in the management of the organization or institution. And last, create a positive image for the organization or institution. Next, the method. The method used is a qualitative research method. Researchers choose qualitative research method to obtain comprehensive and in-depth data on the role of public relation in the Sukoharjo Resort Police. The data that has been collected is divided into two types, namely primary and secondary. Primary data is obtained from in-depth interview, while secondary data is in the form of data from various sources that support and enrich the data in this study, such as literature studies and other reference. Furthermore, to check the validity of the data sort triangulation technique was used. The subject in this study consisted of 4 informants who were members of the Sukoharjo Police Public Relation. The study used 3 stages of the Miles and Haberman model in analyzing the data found in this study. The 3 stages of the Miles and Haberman model consist of data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawing. Next, research and discussion. The opinion of all informants was said that public relations are the party that convey all information from the police, especially the Sukoharjo Police in bringing communication to the public regarding education, appeal for security, social security, and about activities carried out by the police openly. Sukoharjo Police Publication built relationship by establishing communication with the internal public of the resort police and external public relation, such as media crew, public relation of other agencies, and existing stakeholders as a form of partnership. As a form of acceleration in equalizing perception to provide valid information. All informants agreed that Polri public relations were ready to support police made by the leadership and police duty to achieve Polri objective. Public relations carry out coverage, media monitoring, and packaging of the photo, video, and news documentation related to police activities and policies that has been determined by the leadership to be informed to the public through social media and news portal. The fourth role of public relation is to create an image for the organization. From the result found by researchers, public relations at the Sukoharjo Police published the content of Polri activities to public quickly, accurately, and transparently. That way, the public can find out about the performance of the police from various media that has been exposed. The hope is that the image of the police in the eyes of the public is considered good and the police are more trusted by the public. From a research finding from informant, the things are done by public relations at the Sukoharjo Police. Fulfill the four main roles of public relations based on was stated by Ruslan. These results are also in accordance with the research conducted by NISA 2018 about the National Police Public Relations in improving the positive image of the police institution. Public relations has a role as a communicator and foster relations with the internal and external public in supporting management to disseminate information. However, this is different from Purnamasari 2007 research which states that public relations improve the image of the police by acting as officer, problem-solving facilitator, and communication facilitator as well as communication technician. The last conclusion. Based on the result of interview and discussion, the conclusion of the role of public relations in the Sukoharjo Resort Police are as follows. Number 1. Public relations of the Sukoharjo Police as a communicator who brought out information from the police to the public regarding education and appeal for public order and activity carried out by the police openly. Number 2. Public relations maintain a good synergetic relationship with the internal and external public of the police, which includes the media crew, public relations of other agents, cities, and existing stakeholders as form of partnership. Number 3. Public relations as a supporter of the police of the national police leadership and the task of police institution management to achieve the goal of the police by covering, monitoring the media, and packaging documentation in the form of photos, videos, and news to be informed to the public at large. Last, public relations create a positive image of the national police toward the public by publishing content of Polri activities so that the public knows the performance of the police from various media and has been exposed. Thank you, that's all. There is PUM for me. Traveling by public transportation, don't forget to buy Tiwul. That is my presentation. Hope it will be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.